The Buller River in the north of the South Island of New Zealand, one of the longest rivers in the country. The town of Murchison is known as the Whitewater capital of New Zealand. The Buller River, which starts in Lake Rotoiti and flows to Westport to the Tasman Sea, passes by. The upper reaches are a mecca for adventurers like canoers, kayakers, rafters and fishermen seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures. The swift-flowing river offers opportunities to suit everyone. Let's see if anyone is playing in the Whitewater Rapids here beside the main road today. We're in luck. There's a couple of canoeists up ahead. Let's see how they get on here in this white water. I've been spotted. The sound of the drone above the noise of the water alerted them to my presence. The Buller River is currently in low flow and crystal clear, but this river can rise 30 meters in torrential rain. You can see the high tide mark on the edges of the river in pan shots. This area lies close to the Alpine Fault and is intimately related to New Zealand's plate boundaries. The huge Murchison earthquake that occurred in 1929 caused tectonic uplifts and give rise to the rapids in the Buller River. I left a note on these boys' car parked up on the highway there. I hope they get in touch with me. Well, that got my adrenaline going. Let's go home before I lose the drone down the Buller River.